Hi everyone, I'm Sandy. Welcome to another Chinita Food and Travel episode. Today I'm going to show you guys 5 typical traditional dishes that are very popular among locals and that are extremely delicious. So let's go. Chicharrón en salsa verde is a spicy green tomato stew with pork rind. I don't usually get chicharrón en salsa verde, but when I have it, I do enjoy it. It's the pork rind, so Papas con longaniza. These are potatoes with spicy pork sausage. I love it. One of my all-time favorites. I love it on tostadas. I think it's the perfect combination with the crunchy tostada and the soft potatoes, the soft longaniza. And I think the key to any great longaniza potato dish is the longaniza. This is really good quality longaniza. Amazing. Poblano style chicken fajitas are smoked poblano peppers, onion, corn, and chicken in a creamy sauce. This is so delicious. There's a slight sweetness because of the corn. The peppers have been charred. There's actually a dish known as rajas con crema, which is basically this dish, but they added chicken. And I love that it has so much onion in it. This is absolutely delicious. Encacahuatado de Cerdo. This sauce is prepared with toasted ground peanuts, chilies, spices, onions, tomatoes, and broth. Wow, so delicious. This sauce, because it has ground peanuts, it's become thick and creamy, and that nutty flavor, it's amazing with the spice and the combination with the potatoes and the pork. Incredible. Bistec and salsa ranchera con nopal. Basically, it's steak in a ranchera sauce with cactus. Spectacular. Obviously, all of these dishes are spicy. Each one has a different level of spiciness and also uses different chilies to give it the heat. But this is really delicious. It's a tomato base with the cactus. Man, it's kind of like a stew. It's very homey. This is the kind of comfort food Mexicans eat. Delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this episode, getting to know a little bit more about the dishes, the guisados that are very typical here in Mexico. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Till next time, Chinita out.